Do you ever wonder why some people become millionaires while others struggle financially their entire lives? Is it luck? Is it privilege? No, the difference is habits. The ultra-wealthy don't just think differently, they act differently. And today, I'm going to break down the 6 millionaire habits you must master if you want to build real wealth. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start transforming your mindset and actions. So, if you're ready to unlock financial success, let's dive in. Habit number 1, the power of a wealth mindset. Everything starts in the mind. Before you ever see money in your bank account, you need to believe it's possible. Millionaires think in terms of abundance, not scarcity. They don't say, "I can't afford this." Instead, they ask, "How can I afford this?" It's all about problem solving, not making excuses. So, how do you develop a wealth mindset? First, surround yourself with success, read books, listen to podcasts, and follow people who inspire you. Second, practice gratitude. When you focus on what you have, you attract more. And third, visualize your goals daily. If you can see it in your mind, you can create it in reality. Habit number 2, investing over spending. Here's a secret most people don't understand. The rich don't just work for money, they make money work for them. While the average person is busy spending their paycheck on things that lose value. Millionaires invest in assets that grow in value. Every dollar you make is a soldier. You can either send it into battle to bring back more money, or you can let it die in a purchase that won't matter next year. So, where should you invest? Stocks, real estate, businesses, even yourself. The sooner you start, the sooner your money starts working for you. Habit number 3, mastering time like a boss. Time is your most valuable asset. You can lose money and make it back, but once time is gone, it's gone forever. Millionaires know this, which is why they are obsessive about time management. Here's how you can start managing time like the wealthy. 1. Wake up early. Get a head start on your day. To prioritize tasks. Focus on what moves you closer to your financial goals. 3. Eliminate distractions. Social media and Netflix can wait. For delegate. Don't waste time on things that don't grow your wealth. Every wasted hour is money left on the table. Master your time, and you'll master your life. Habit number 4, building multiple streams of income. If you rely on just one income stream, you're putting yourself at risk. What happens if you lose your job? What if that one business fails? The rich never depend on a single source of income. They build multiple streams. Want to start? Here are a few ideas. Invest in dividend stocks for passive income. Start a side hustle, freelance, e-commerce, digital products. Get into real estate, rental properties, urban or house flipping. Monetize your skills online, coaching, consulting, YouTube. Even if you start small, just start. The goal is to have money coming in from multiple directions, so you're never dependent on just one source. Habit number 5, relentless learning and self-improvement. Want to know one thing all millionaires have in common? They never stop learning. They know that if they're not growing, they're falling behind. That's why they read books, listen to mentors, and constantly improve their skills. Here's the rule. The more you learn, the more you earn. If you're not investing in yourself, you're capping your income potential. So, what are you learning today that will make you richer tomorrow? Habit number 6, taking massive action. Here's where most people fail. They learn, they plan, they dream, but they never take action. The biggest difference between a millionaire and someone who struggles financially: action. Millionaires take risks. They fail, they adapt, and they keep going. It doesn't matter if you're scared. It doesn't matter if you're not ready. Start now. Take one small step today toward financial freedom, and in a year, you'll thank yourself. So, which of these 6 habits are you going to start working on today? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you got value from this video, hit that like button. Subscribe for more success tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Your millionaire journey starts now.